Hey everybody, I'm here to do my last video for today is a reveal on the Spellbinder card kit of the month. If you notice, this is a December 2019, obviously that's some time ago. This is currently on Spellbinder's clearance site. I can't quite afford their full price for their monthly kits, but if I can grab one off on clearance, that's great. It was an additional 10% off, I believe, on this. I've enjoyed the unicorn one I got, so I'm looking forward to using this one. My main issue with it is that they shipped it in the actual box, so now it's got ugly stickers and dirt all over it, so I'm going to have to transfer things. Otherwise, I might have actually kept it in the box. So let's see what's inside. You see they have it in a nice craft paper. Not sure why one of the dies is sitting here. I hope everything's in it. That particular die, U. So something U. We'll see. Let's see. We got some tissue paper here. Try not to tear it up too much so that I can use it if I want to. Alrighty. Let's see. Oh, another loose die. Looks like this one's happy. Not sure why the dies aren't on their own carrier sheet. That's unusual. Maybe they just fell off. So we've got here the key card showing what all's in the kit. This one has dies to make the cute little fox. I know you can make her frilly or not. We've got some card envelopes here. Lovely. Last time I added some additional ones, approximately 4x6 to my kit. This one's got some sequins and a gold, which are fantastic for either you can just glue them on or you can use them for shaker cards. There's not too many here, but cute to get you started. Here are some more of the dies. So we have some kind of leaves here. Part of the fox. Sure hope I have all the pieces. Looks like a crown. And this is probably little feet. Face. Here's the bag that they were in with the body of the fox. And their kits are pretty inclusive, so it even has some either double-sided tape or foam tape. It's probably double-sided there. There is a paper pad, and I know if you like it, you can get additional of this, or at least you could if they hadn't already run out. So we've got the paper pad. It's got some little foam dots. And we'll come back to that. This one, my other one didn't come with these, but this one comes with letters and a gold, and it looks like they've got foam built in. Some numbers on this side. And those are, give you here against the measuring so you can get an idea on size on them. This one comes with a sticker pad. I'll show you some of the stickers. Sorry, that's a little blurry. Tried to zoom out so it would not be. I did not get stickers like a pad of them before. I just got a few on a sheet. Another piece. That's 4. Then we've got some die cut shapes. And here are the stamps. And, well, you can't really see them that way, so I'm going to go ahead see if I can get this open one-handed here, because I'm holding the camera versus using the tripod. Sorry. So see the cute little fox? Isn't it adorable? And you're pretty. So I just had to have that. I don't know, you know, when they've got the fill in them, sometimes I don't like them as much, but I think it's going to come out cute. And let's see here. Last time the paper came in an envelope. This time it looks like it's just loose. So, okay. Looks like it has at least one sheet of kind of a black. And there's normally a variety. but not more than 1 or 2 of any. So there's a black, pretty burgundy, love that color, and a soft kind of a dusty pink. It's very nice and thick cardstock, you can hear it there. And this one's a white. Then there is kind of a sky blue. It's not a baby blue, it's more of a sky blue. A slightly darker shade of the rose pink. Show you these two together so you can see. They do blend well. It's just a lighter and a darker. This one looks, it's a brown, but almost looks like a craft paper, but it's a brown. And then a shiny gold. And looks like maybe just a second white. Or cream. Let me hold these together and see. You know, it looks like one's slightly darker than the other, so maybe a cream and then the white. So that is the pieces for the kit. Hopefully it's got all the die pieces there. You know, lots of little die cuts to go with it. Let's see if I can get a couple of them out here to show you. Got hopefully throwing them everywhere. And this is something I hadn't really got with a lot of other kits. It does make them a little more, I don't know, it's more obvious to tell it's kind of homemade, but it gives you a whole different element to it. I don't think they're stickers. I think you still have to use your foam and stuff or glue. But you can see there's some different flowers. Very cute. Little house. There's only some words. There you see happy. Perfect together. Some leaves. A little ring, a little wreath. Love. There's the little fox girl with some flowers. This one, I don't know if it's a bear. Yeah, cute little bear with some flowers. Reminds me of the girl holding the balloon. We got beautiful. So all kinds of little ornaments that you can put on here. So you can see their kits are pretty thorough and would certainly keep you busy for a few days. You know, if you made, I don't know how many cards there is. I was able to get, with additional cards, I made probably close to 20 cards and still have some of my stuff left from my first one. But it does look like here there are about 10 cards that it comes with the envelopes, and they are, the cards are exactly, looks like 5.5 by just over 4. So I think that's one of the European sizes. I can't remember if it's A5 or what they call it, but there you go. The only other thing, let's see on the pad, I'm going to zoom in on the picture here to show you the different paper prints that are inside. I really like that rose there. That's pretty. And some of the more or less solid ones would be nice to break things up. So there you go. So that is Spellbinders Card Kit of the Month, Hey Foxy, for December 19th. Available still in the clearance store as far as I know. And thank you for joining me. Be sure to subscribe, tell your friends, and we'll talk to you later. Thank you. Bye-bye.